Welcome back to our video series on ASI retrofits with the MovieMod Flexible Logistics variant. My name is Annabelle, Product Manager for the MovieMod Flexible here at SEW-EURODRIVE. Today we are going to look at the first practical question. Is my existing device mechanically and electrically compatible with the new logistics variant? A smooth retrofit starts with making sure the new drive fits my application. This includes checking mounting space, connector types, and the availability of digital inputs. Getting these basics right avoids surprises during installation. The MovieMod Flexible's dimensions may differ from your former product, so always verify that there is enough mounting space. Compare the height, width, and depth of your old device with the logistics variant. If needed, plan for an adapter plate or modify the mounting bracket to ensure a secure installation. Make sure your motor inverter controller combination works together. Not all combination can be verified by us, so confirm compatibility before ordering. If your motor has an integrated brake rectifier, know that the logistics variant cannot handle it. We'll cover how to handle this in the next video. The logistics variant uses a standardized connector layout, HAN-Q4-2 for the 400 volt power and 24 volt supply, HAN-Q8-0 for the motor output, and 12 plugs for the safe torque off and for digital inputs. There is no daisy chain option for the 400 volt 24 volt supply or STO. If your current installation uses daisy chaining, you will need external connectors. The new front module of the logistics variant provides 3 digital inputs. These inputs cannot be used while the drive is in manual mode. If you require more digital inputs for feedback, you may need an external RSE I/O module. Safe torque off, STO, in the logistic variant is always routed externally. If your application doesn't need STO, you can order a jumper plug with SEW to bridge it. Lastly, you need to check your power supply. The logistic variant is available with both 400 volt and 24 volt separately or in one cable. By checking mounting space, motor compatibility, connectors, digital inputs, and power supply, you ensure that the logistics variant can replace your old device without unexpected issues. In the next video, we will look at what to do if your motor has an integrated brake rectifier. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.